A few feet from the finish line, Kenyan athlete Abdul Mati was leading the race. He thought he had won the race. Right behind him was Spain's runner Evan Fernandez. He called out to Abdul Mati when he saw him stop on a misunderstanding. Run before the finish line is crossed. Abdul Mati did not understand his language, so he could not understand at all. It was the best chance that Fernandes could have overtaken him to win the race. But he made a strange decision and pushed Abdul Mati across the finish line. Thousands of spectators in the field applauded Fernandes' sportsmanship for a long time. Fernandes had become a hero despite the defeat. A journalist later asked Fernandes, "Why did you let a Kenyan athlete win when you could have easily won the race?" He replied, "This race belonged to him. He was winning like that. And then how could I win like that and face my mother?" Fernandes further added, "My dream is to create a society where someone pushes others to win.